How are we doing, little fry bags?
He was sitting behind him, watching every move, every movement. If there was emotions, but he didn't find anything. He's strong.
You smelling something?
You gotta like roll in it and stuff. You don't just eat it.
And he was so confident and so almost arrogant, as the judge also said. And he just said he doesn't know, he doesn't remember, he cannot explain it. He still his ground, he didn't waver, no emotions, nothing.
Good babies.
In South Africa, most scientific evidence is circumstantial evidence that proves maybe that is, for example, the fingerprints of the accused, but it doesn't place him necessarily on the scene with criminal intent.